Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying basics that actually matter. Confirm your internet account is active and that other devices can reach the web. Next, fully shut down the Ps5, wait 30 seconds, and power it back on to clear transient issues. Then restart your modem and router. Wait for the LEDs to show a normal, stable connection. Once done, test the Ps5 network status page. This rules out simple outages and resets temporary networking glitches before deeper steps. Now you'll dig into settings and hardware. Run the Ps5 internet test and note IP, DNS, and NAT type to guide fixes. If possible, plug in Ethernet. This often solves packet loss and high latency. Otherwise, connect to your 5 GHz Wi-Fi band and move the console closer to the router to improve signal. If DHCP causes trouble, assign a static IP on the Ps5 and configure custom DNS like 8 or 1. This can speed resolution and reduce dropouts. Finish by enabling UPnP on your router or forwarding PlayStation network ports. Common ones include UDP 3478, 3480, and TCP 1935 to improve NAT and matchmaking. Check and install router firmware and the latest Ps5 system update. If persistent issues remain, consider a router factory reset only after backup. If everything still fails, test the Ps5 on a mobile hotspot to isolate whether the ISP or your home network is the problem.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.